Hello and welcome to a very special episode of What's Inside with me, your host. People have been asking me to do another unboxing video for quite a while now, and I've been saving up to do this one. Ignore the wheat biscuits, that's just covering up the address that's on the box there. Now I've already used the scissors to cut through the sellotape, so hopefully I'll be able to do this with one hand. So let's give this a go. What is inside? Oh, this is already a good sign. Uh-oh. Who's this man? What does it say? It says some stuff. That looks like a man with a cucumber hat. I'm excited now. Alright, I'll look through some of these things now. What we got? Some playing cards, some cards. It's also supposed to be very cucumber themed. Yeah, that's two cucumbers. Very good. The last cucumber. All right, I'm going to have to look in more details. But there's a good question. Have we suffered enough? Short answer is, I don't think so with this. Look at that. Okay. Let's remove the magic noodles and oh my word. Oh my word. Whoa. Wait a second. I ordered one cucumber hat. And there's a second cucumber hat. Oh my word. So, if you don't know who this man is, this is Xandiloquence Bizarre the Ab3rd. Internet legend. And actually I didn't prep this, so wait a second. I'm gonna do this. Just a sec. Foot shot. Author of such books as How to Make a Hat Entirely Out of Dried Cucumber, Book 1. How to Make a Hat Entirely Out of Dried Cucumber, Book 2. How to Make a Hat Entirely Out of Dried Cucumber, Book 3. And of course, C is for Cucumber Hat, a book for children. And as it says on the last page, this is a children's book. Anyway, look at that. Cucumber hat. Another cucumber hat. Let's see what these look like in the mirror. Foot shot. Hat number 1. Hat number 2. Right, well, thus concludes another episode of What's Inside. Leave a comment down below which hat you prefer. And yeah, catch you next episode.